Today we start the dodge mechanic. So first thing we're going to do is go into the Archer BP and then the new state machine, and off of movement and movement only, we're going to create the first dodge called dodge right. Alright, we're going to drag it to the right for right, make the transition back to movement, and then we're going to find the dodge right animation for the actual move. We're going to drag this in, connect it, compile this, and then you get the transition error on the compile. And now we got to create the variable called dodge right BP for the transitions. Compile it to activate it, drag and drop it, movement to idle, just dodge right BP. And just like the bow attack, we're going to use the not boolean going back to movement so it won't do it going back. Okay, and now we have to create the variable inside the character blueprint called dodge right because it's treated like a move like the bow attack. And now we're going to activate it in the animation blueprint just like we did the bow attack. So what we're going to do is drag off of the cast to Archer, and we're going to get dodge right. And now we're just like bow attack, we're going to set dodge right BP